It's stuck.
Wait, be careful.
It's getting worse, Ba.
Don't pull too hard.
It's too tight. I can't. Ah!
Stop. Don't move it.
Wait. Maybe we shouldn't pull it. We can loosen it? Slowly. Hold it steady. I am.
Careful, don't let it slip.
I'm holding it. Just a little more.
It's moving.
It's free. We did it. It's getting clean. Woo! Look, it's almost clean. Good job. Good job. We're cleaning it up. You want to help? Yeah, let's clean together. We can clean it all. Let's go. It's so much cleaner now.
Yeah, we did a lot.
It came back. It's okay now. It looks beautiful now.
Now everyone can play here again.
We really did it. All together.
Yeah, together.
Let's keep it clean.
So it stays beautiful.